This time we will mainly talk about what is the difference in appearance between this new teeth cleaning kit and the old one. First, let's take a look at the appearance of this product. This is one with an oval shape and a short handle. This one is a long handle with an S-shaped U-line. Second, let's take a look at this wiping head, the plug for cleaning teeth. This is a flat arc and has a certain elasticity. The wiping angle can be adjusted appropriately. Of course, control requires a certain amount of experience and skills. The new model is a triangle type. Get it directly. Lean directly on the teeth. The angle doesn't need to be adjusted. It's natural that you wipe it like this. So, from a wiping point of view, this is very easy to grasp. It is different from the old one during the wiping process. The old one is very easy to wear and tear because of the bad angle. New model, unless you deliberately insert it with sharp points, it is difficult to do so. The teeth are tight, so the angle is very easy to control. The utilization rate of this sponge strip is very high, which greatly improves its service life. Structurally, this sponge strip installation is a snap clip type. Since its installation, including replacement, it requires more experience and skills. The new model is very simple, with plug-in design, just replace it. This is an essential difference in appearance and structure. So, a product is upgraded from an old model to a new model. There's a lot of creativity involved.